Presenting OCTA's Disadvantaged Business Enterprise, or DBE, contract reporting tool. This video provides guidance in operating the ECAT tool for reporting your DBE contract compliance requirements. OCTA monitors DBE participation on all projects with Department of Transportation assisted funding to ensure all requirements are being met. If you are the prime contractor or consultant on an OCTA Department of Transportation assisted contract, you will receive a welcome email providing a link to the ECAT login page and your firm's login credentials. Welcome to ECAT. Log in using your provided credentials. You will be directed to your contractor consultant ECAT landing page. On the landing page, you can access tools such as Project Overview, Unverified Verifications, Open Notifications, and Contract Listings. The Project Overview section contains a snapshot of your current DBE participation status by project. This section displays the project goal, current commitment based on your executed subcontracts and purchase orders, current attainment based on dollars paid to DBEs divided by the current contract value. Also listed is the percentage of work completed, representing the dollars paid to you thus far divided by the current contract value. Each project number links to the project snapshot, which provides an in-depth overview of the project details in DBE reporting to date. Unverified verifications are also displayed on your landing page. Here you will be able to see the number of open periods per project. Clicking on the desired project name will redirect you to a project snapshot of the individual project. Clicking on the number under the Open Periods column will redirect you to the payment history page where all periods are visible. The Open Notifications section on your landing page gives you a snapshot of notifications issued to you from OCTA by project. Projects with notifications that have not been resolved will be listed in the Open Notifications box. Clicking on the desired project name will redirect you to a project snapshot for the individual project. Clicking a number under the View column will redirect you to project notifications where you can view all open and closed notifications. Finally, the Contract Listings section on your landing page is a summary list of your assigned contracts. Each contract row will include core project details. The next step of this tutorial is to review the project-specific reporting function. Clicking on the Select Action button will list all available actions related to the contract. To report on a specific project reporting period, click on the link titled Submit Form 103. On the Select Reporting Period page, select the year and then the month from the drop-down menus. Notice only months without previously submitted reports will be displayed. This is to avoid double reporting when adding a new monthly report. The top portion of this report captures your current payment status. In the Prime Paid This Period field, enter the amount OCTA paid you for the period and enter the appropriate date in the Date of Last Received Payment field. The Current Contract Value field is auto-populated with the last OCTA approved contract value. This field cannot be edited within this report submittal. If you would like to request a change to this field, return to your landing page and select Contract Change Modification on the Select Action drop-down. If no payments were made to DBEs in the reporting period, check the No Subcontractor Updates box and click the red Preview button at the bottom of the page. If a payment was made to at least one of your DBE subcontractors, leave the No Subcontractor Updates unchecked and enter the total amount paid to each DBE for this reporting period. After entering an amount paid for at least one DBE subcontractor, the red Preview button will change to Proceed to Payment Verification. Note, the value entered should be the total paid, not the eligible value. ECAT will apply eligibility formulas to the value reported based on the contract details provided at the award or through the DBE add process. After entering payment data for your DBEs, click on the Proceed to Payment Verification button. The payment verification page requires you to enter specific payment data for the payments you have reported within the reporting period. For each payment reported to a DBE within the reporting period, you will be requested to provide the payment verification details. If an unapproved invoice value is entered, a text box will appear so that you can provide a justification. When you have completed entering the payment details, click on the Verify button. There is a tally system which appears below your most recent payment verification entered, indicating if all payment verification values tabulate up to the total payment amount reported in the Form 103 report. If there are errors present in the payment information, the section will turn red. If there are no errors present in the payment information, the section will turn green. If you have multiple payment verifications to enter, click the Additional Payment button marked by the green plus icon. Once clicked, add additional payment data by repeating the same steps and click the Save button. As you can see, there are now 2 payments for this contractor. Once all information has been entered into ECAT, press the Preview button to see a summary of your entered information. Review your summary to ensure that the total paid amounts mirror your accounting records and that the eligible values are reflective of the current commitment and attainment amounts that should be applied towards your DBE goal achievement. If a value was not entered correctly, go back by clicking the Edit button and make the appropriate corrections, then press Submit. After you have completed entering all your information, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Submit. Please keep in mind that after you click Submit, the report will be locked and your DBE subcontractors have access to view and verify their reported payments. If at any time during the process you need project-specific or technical support, click the Help button located at the bottom right of your screen. After clicking the Help button, a support dialog box will appear. You are now ready to start using ECAT.